Let me say too, I think a lot about, I am a avid proponent and defender of market economy, of the profit motive, free enterprise, of the human spirit and human ingenuity that drives progress. It not only creates the profits that represent the ability for investors to tap into the market economy as a means of obtaining solutions to their own financial goals, the things we do in public and private stock and debt markets, the enhanced quality of life that it gives as humans go about doing what God made them to do. And I bring that up in the context of dad because he died in late 1995. They would put in a St. Jude valve that is different material composition that they believed would have lasted forever from a company that was ironically in Irvine, California, which was my dad's hometown where I spent many years of my upbringing, that enabled a transcatheter aortic valve procedure. And there's over 1 million people that have had that since then, proven adopted for a lot broader usage for lower risk people. It was originally only used for older and more vulnerable. Although I think that my dad would have qualified because even though at 47, a third open heart surgery was not a very good idea. A first open heart surgery is not often a very good idea, just from the fact that if it can be avoided, as this Edwards miracle of a transcatheter procedure, enables you to not have to cut open the human body. I bring that up anecdotally to where I want to go about some of the stuff from my dad because like it absolutely drives me bonkers when I hear people bemoan our medical device industry, our pharmaceutical industry, our biotech industry, these things that have just saved so many countless lives, that have enhanced quality of life for so many countless people. And I think oftentimes when people sit around with their criticisms of that industry, they are not maybe people that have lost someone or have seen someone saved as a result of this progress. This progress comes, these medical innovations come because we live in an extraordinary time in human history where we can do things like transcatheter aortic valve procedures, where we have things like pig valves or mechanical valves, not to mention going into all the other elements of medical complexity outside of what happened to be the source of my own father's fatality. I remain very supportive of that industry and grateful for the point in history in which we all live. And I hope that we will continue driving more research and development and allow greater capital markets innovations to drive greater medical innovations so that more people can live longer and better lives. And I don't really have anything else to say about that.